Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review on this OXO chopper here. I really love this chopper, guys. It is super convenient, especially when you have to make food where you have to actually chop the vegetables or fruits or anything like that. I really love it, guys, especially because it has like the measurements already there for you. As you can see, it has the cup measurements and then it has the milliliter measurements as well. It's super easy to use. If you just want to open it to kind of put the vegetable or fruit in, all you have to do is just unlock it like this, take it out, place the fruit inside the container, and then just close it up again, lock it, and you can just chop the fruit. So I really like it, guys, but I'm actually going to show you how it works so you can kind of see like a hands-on experience. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and chop a tomato here, and we are going to place it inside the little cup here. We're gonna do one by one so that way it won't like overfill. It actually also has the max capacity here, but as you can see, it fits quite well. We're just going to close it up like we mentioned before. Make sure you lock it, and then we're just going to chop it off. And then it moves it around so you can just chop it into smaller pieces. As you can see, all chopped up. I also wanted to show you guys how you take off the lid in order to wash it all in different parts. You basically just twist it like this until it starts coming off, and then it comes off. You're left with the blades, and you're also left with the lid, so you can just wash the lid on its own. And as for the blades, you can always take them out. So you can just wash the blades like that separately. And if you only want to wash the blades and you don't want to have to separate everything, all you have to do is just press it like this, lock it. Here's the little lock right here. It locks the blades out, and you can just wash the blades on their own. I really like this chopper, guys. It makes your work in the kitchen so much easier. I know I helped my mom a bunch because she's one of those people that loves chopping everything with a knife and her bare hands. So I think this is a perfect gift for her, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody who loves cooking in the kitchen.